It was pulled from a shipwreck off the coast of Antikythera in 1901, corroded, encrusted, easy to overlook. But inside that lump of bronze was a system of at least 37 interlocking gears, a mechanical computer so precise it could predict lunar eclipses, track the Olympic Games cycle, and map 5 planets simultaneously. The Antikythera mechanism dates to roughly 100 BCE. The next device of comparable mechanical complexity wouldn't appear for another 1400 years. But here's what's stranger. It didn't arrive alone in history. In the ruins of ancient Egypt, carved deep into the granite ceiling of the Seti I temple at Abydos, built around 1280 BCE, are hieroglyphic clusters that researchers have documented for decades. Some configurations, when examined, bear striking visual resemblance to a helicopter, a submarine, and a glider. Egyptologists offer rational explanations involving overlapping carvings from different dynasties, but the images persist and the debate never fully closes. Move east and the mystery deepens. The iron pillar standing in Delhi's Kup complex has remained outdoors for approximately 1600 years. It is 99.7% pure iron, a metallurgical composition so resistant to rust and corrosion that modern engineers still cannot fully replicate the process used to forge it. At that purity level, using 5th century CE technology, it simply should not exist, and yet it does, untouched by rust, still standing. Then there is Sacsayhuaman in Peru, a fortress complex whose outer walls contain stone blocks weighing up to 200 metric tons. The stones are fitted together without mortar, with joints so precise that a standard sheet of paper cannot be slid between them. The nearest quarry is 35 kilometers away, across mountainous terrain. No written record survives, explaining the method of transport or construction. The Baghdad Battery, discovered in 1938, is a 2,000-year-old clay jar containing a copper cylinder and an iron rod, a configuration that, when filled with an acidic liquid like vinegar, produces a measurable electric current. Functional electricity, 2 millennia before Alessandro Volta. These are not myths, they are documented, physically real, sitting in museums and archaeological sites right now. The tools exist, the builders are gone, and the knowledge they carried, whatever it was, has not survived. Some wonders were simply placed here for us to find, not yet to understand.